Moving onward, I have you working for 3 months. All right, so to recap, you're making $1,200, you're working at a job, 8 to 12 hours, 30 hours a week. You're keeping your expenses 50% or lower, $600 a month. We've done this for 3 months. Your cash flow was anywhere from $400 to $500. You should have, by month 3 of working, you should have anywhere from $1,000 to $1,500 cash flow. The very first thing you are going to do with that money is not spend it, save it, or invest it. Okay, we are going to use the money. All right, we are going to acquire what's called a secured line of credit. Okay, a secured line of credit is something that the banks, credit unions, credit card companies give to you, okay, with your money. So to give you an example, if we're getting a secured line of credit for $1,000 to $1,500, all right, that means you are giving the bank, okay, your money to hold. You are giving the bank your money to hold temporarily, which is this, the $1,000 to $1,500. The bank is then going to give you back money equal or greater than the money you gave them. All right? The company that I want you to use, that is a very effective and successful company, is called Capital One. Okay? I use them myself. I have my girlfriend using them. A lot of my clients, I recommend them to. Because, here's the thing. When you acquire this secured line of credit, it's a credit card, and it's a line of credit. Okay? Some of these products have fees, okay, an extra cost. With Capital One, they do not charge any annual fees, okay? On top of that, when you get a secured credit card with Capital One, they give you more than what you give, okay? That's some kingdom thinking right there. So if we're putting in $1,000 to $1,500, the bank or Capital One might go ahead and give you back $2,000, okay, which is very good. So if I gave the bank $1,500 and they gave me $2,000, how much money do I have? This is not a trick question. Add the two. You now have a total asset, total cash available, $3,500. Okay, you have your money sitting with the bank that you're not going to be using, but then the bank gave you money to use, $2,000. All right? So, when you acquire this tool right here, this secured credit card, all right, and Capital One is not going to charge you any annual fees. What you're going to do now is you're going to take the expense number, $600, and you're going to use the credit card. Okay? You are going to use your credit card. You're going to swipe your expenses of $600 or more or less each and every month for 3 months. Okay? And I want you to do this, for 3 months, and then do it again for another 3 months. Why? Because Capital One, okay, we're going with Capital One, all right? That is my recommendation to you. If you find another company that has similar qualities and features, you have my thumbs up, okay? I'm just giving you my thoughts and opinions. Capital One, when you get a secure credit card with them, their statement is, by you making your payment on time, okay? Because understand this, when you get a secured credit card and you use $600 to pay bills with, food, gas, miscellaneous, phone bill, right? All these things that we can pay with credit, you're gonna get a bill in 30 days sent to your home. All right? You're gonna get a bill in 30 days or less sent to your home for $600. You are gonna make a payment in full amount. How are you gonna make that full amount payment? From your income, right? Because if I used the credit card first, $600, that means I still have all of my $1,200 income, right? Because you're living a 50% lifestyle off your income. So you still have your cash flow that you're gaining each and every month. Yes. And you also have your other money for expenses. So in 30 days, you're going to pay back that money. And then you're going to use that same money again to pay next month's bill. And you do this over and over and over again for a total of 6 months. Reason being is Capital One, after 6 months, will give you a refund. Okay? They're gonna give you a refund of your money. All right? So I want you to watch this 2 or 3 times and come back to it and take the notes and really understand. So to recap one more time, all right? Because I don't know who I'm talking to. I don't want you to feel lost or confused at any time. That's why this is a velocity banking course, step-by-step foundational rules that you will apply for your life for the rest of your life, and then you will teach your offspring and the people around you. Okay, very important. That's why I want you to get this so clear that after you've watched this so many times, you can teach others. So we're going to work for 3 months, build up our cash flow. Once we get our cash flow, we're going to get a secured line of credit, right? The credit card with Capital One for the amount of your cash flow after those 3 months. You are then going to put it with the bank. You're going to give the bank your money. They're going to hold it temporarily. The bank's going to give you back money. You're then going to run your expenses for 3 months and 3 months. 600 or more or less of expenses are going to get all run through here, and you're going to what? Pay yourself back. It's your money. This is all your money. You gave the bank the money. The bank gave you more money. You still have your cash flow. You never lost it, and you're still paying your bills. And in fact, you're actually boosting your cash flow for what's to come. I want you to do this for 6 months consistently. All right? Watch my content on my channel. In 6 months, come back. We're going to review. All right? Remember, every 30 days, you must pay this in full. Do not pay the minimum payment. They're going to send you a bill. It's going to say minimum payment is this amount, a statement balance. You always pay the statement balance in full. Okay? For that particular month, the month prior. All right? When you get the bill, it'll be another month, and guess what happens? You'll get more income. And you're still not going to even use your income to pay your bills. You're going to keep using that same money from last month over and over and over again, and you're going to see this cash flow almost double itself. Watch. All right? So take that in. Stay tuned. I'll have another video out soon.